In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and increase your Shopee Spaylater credit limit. We'll dive into the steps needed to maintain a healthy credit profile, ensuring a smooth and beneficial shopping experience on the Shopee platform. First, let's start by visiting Shopee. Open your web browser and navigate to the Shopee website. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or just getting started, accessing Shopee is the first step in managing your Spaylater account. If you have not logged in yet, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account details. And if you are on the go, use your Shopee mobile app, which provides an equally efficient user experience. Once you're in, let's focus specifically on increasing your Spaylater credit limit. Shopee's Spaylater is a convenient feature that allows you to enjoy purchases without immediate payment, similar to a buy now, pay later service. But to maximize its benefits, managing your credit limit is key. The increase in your Spaylater credit limit isn't something you can do manually or request outright. Instead, it's a process that happens automatically, relying heavily on your usage patterns and payment behavior. To enhance your credit limit, there are a few practical measures you should consider. The first step is to ensure all your repayments are made consistently on or before the due date. Timely payments are not just about maintaining your current credit limit, they're the bedrock of a good credit history. Additionally, consistently meeting your payment deadlines helps build trust with Shopee. Next, avoid missing or skipping payments. Even one late payment can impact your profile negatively, potentially delaying any future limit increases. It's essential to treat your Spaylater account with the same seriousness as any other credit account you hold. A helpful tip is to set reminders for payment due dates. This can easily be done on your phone or through a calendar app, ensuring you don't accidentally overlook any upcoming payment. Another valuable piece of advice is to use Spaylater regularly but responsibly. What do we mean by responsible usage? Simply making purchases that are within your financial capability to repay ensures that you're not overextending yourself financially. Consistent, reasonable usage is likely to reflect positively on your account evaluation. Finally, keep your overall Shopee account active and in good standing. This includes updating your account details when necessary, participating in Shopee's shopping events, and maintaining an active presence by regular browsing and purchasing. An engaged account signifies a valued customer, which could be a factor in your credit evaluations. In essence, cultivating a blend of responsible usage, punctual repayment, and maintaining an active account forms the foundation of increasing your Spaylater limit. Stay vigilant with these practices, and over time, you'll likely see your efforts reflected in your increased credit limit. By following these guidelines, you are not only managing your finances prudently, but also enhancing your shopping experience with Shopee. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping.